So here we have the fifth meeting, I think fifth or sixth, I'm not sure. And today we are going to talk about Mala Nergize, the house of Nergis. You see, Nergis is the name, but we put this Nergize, Mala Nergize, the house of Nergis. Nergis's house. Nergis. Okay, Mala Nergize, house of Nergiz. I will be fast actually. We have 15:45 line. Nergiz حساب كره أو لآمده دجي. Nergiz حساب كره أو لآمده دجي. Nergiz is an accountant and she lives in Ahmed. I told you about Pishe. It was jobs. Hesabger. We had this also. Also, it was Jemerger. It also became Hasab or has accountant. Okay. Nergiz حسابگره و اول آمده دجی. مالك نرگیزه هیا. Nergiz has a house. مالاوی بچوکه لبله پر شیرینه. مالاوی بچوکه لبله پر شیرینه. Her house is small but very sweet. Malawi بچوکه small لبله but پر شیرینه پر شیرین is sweet. د مالاوی ده دو اوده مطبخک سرشوکک و داشرک هنه. In her house there are 2 rooms, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a restroom. د مالاوی ده دو اوده مطبخک سرشوکک و داشرک هنه. Okay. Nergiz نزنگینه لی بله مالاوی پر رنگینه. You see the thing is zengin, rengin. Zengin, rengin. You simply change this one. This became colorful. And you say this one, you became rich. Okay. Do you want to use Z or you want to use R? It is your choice. Nergiz ne zengine. She is not rich. Lebele malawe per rengine. Nergiz is not rich, but her house is quite colorful. Quite colorful. Per gelek. Per means a lot. Rengin, colorful. Dede her tişt heye. Dede, inside there is everything in it. So in it actually, dede, in it, her tişt, everything. Thing. Heye. There is everything. Televizyon, palye, mase, kursi, tabloin, weyneyan. Okay. TV, armchair, table, chair, paintings. She has everything in her room. You see, in here. Her house is so sweet. Per شیرین. Okay. دولاب و سیپی خالچه که سور گل و گلدانگ و گلک تشتندن. Cupboard and coffee table, red carpet, a vase with flowers, gulu guldank, and many other things. Galak tishtin. We say like tishtin, other things. For example, in English, when you say ATC, what does it mean? I don't remember that actually. ATC, I don't know how to read that, but in Kurdish we have this one. Nun. So in Kurdish we have like this: her, 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 weki, den. So you see, we use den for something else, many other things. Her weki den. Okay. So let's look at this again. Dolap, cupboard, CP, CP, خاليچه كسور, CP, coffee table, خاليچه كسور, red carpet, vase with flower, gul means flower, و guldank with vase, guldank, guldank, the place you put gul. Gelek tishtinden, and some other things, many other things. Malawi لدرvey bajariye. Actually, درvey bajariye, درvey bajare. You could simply say like that too. Malawi لدرvey bajare. Malawi لدرvey bajare. Her house is outside of the city. She is far from the city. Malawi لدرvey bajare. جه مالاوی پر خوشه و به دارو هیشناهیه. So جه مالاوی پر خوشه. جه مالاوی پر خوشه. The neighborhood of her house is green and there are trees around. Okay, جه مالاوی پر خوشه. This means place of her house is good, is so nice. جه مالاوی, place of her house, جه place, mal, house, way, her house. جه مالاوی پر خوشه و به دارو هیشناهیه. So u means and, بدار means with flowers, with dar means tree, و بدار و هیشناهیه, with trees and greenness. Yeah, هیشناهی, this means هیشناهی, it means green. لرغ مالاوی پارکه لیستن و سیرانی هیه. Next to her house there is a park for playing and jogging. لرغ مالاوی پارکه لیستن و سیرانی هیه. پارک پر نزدیکی مالاویه. Park per نزدیکی مالاویه. The park is very close to her house. در ناوبره مالاوی و پارکه ده بتنه کلانکیه. در ناوبره مالاوی و پارکه ده بتنه کلانکیه. در ناوبره مالاوی و پارکه. This means between her house and the park. The ناوبره. This is between the ناوبره. The ناوبره. مالاوی و پارکه. Between her house and the park there is only one street, Kolan. Okay, here we go. We have a word which is Kolan, and here we go. We have a song. I will put this to description below. I am sure you will never forget these words if you remember that, because it says Kolan digerim. I am looking you street by street, and it has a nice voice. Definitely I will put it to description below. Just listen it, you will never forget that. Okay, and that's it. Okay, Kolonakaya, we said Kolonakaya. She has only one street between her house and the park. Park namazna lebale paqij ufreha. Park is not large, yet is clean and airy. So the park namazna, park mazan, park namazan, not big. Le but lebale but paqij ufreha, and clean and airy. Actually, yeah, package ou labelé package ou frère. Okay. This one, I think like in here پاقش فره. Generally we will say it is large. I mean, this is a little bit, we don't use like this. I wouldn't use like this. فره. پاق نمزنه لبلی پاقش و فره. پاقش و فره. Is clean and airy. But also it can be used for the airy. Yeah. دوی پارکه ده هر جوره داروگیا هنه. دوی پارکه ده هر جوره داروگیا هنه. دوی پارکه ده هر جوره. Okay, جوره. جوره means type and kind, actually kind of things. Kind. Dar, tree, gya, grass. Hene. There is. In that park, دوی پارکه ده in that park, there are all kind of trees and plants. Darugia, tree and plants are singular from the form of plurality is observed on the verb hene. Okay, hene. So when we were making some other things, when I was saying, how do we say that? Hene habun. So like from hene you can understand. From hene you can, if it was written heye, it means one thing, but hene means many things. That's what is how it became. How we understand gya and dar are plural, and hene is for plural and heye for singular. Jure kind of things, and this نرگیز د مال خود به تن نینه. پسیکک وی هیا. پسیکک وی هیا. You see هیا. Haya means she has only one cat. Also say psikak. Also psikak means one cat. Psikak we haya. Nergiz the mala khwada betani nina. She is not alone at home. Nergiz the mala khwada betani nina. Nergiz is not alone in her house. She has a cat. Nave psika we kunjiye. Kunji is the something that you put on some breads, and it is that also. Kunji. The name of her cat is Kunji. Kunji Sesam. Yeah, Sesam. Okay, Kunji Sesam. Kunji. And her cat's name is Kunji. This is Kunji. Kunji Pershirine. She is so sweet. Kunji is very sweet. Lebele Shume. But she is a little bit naughty. Shume. Which means she is naughty. Shum. Lebele بتكي شومه. هرقاف دردك وسر ماسه ونفينان. هرقاف always. هرقاف always goes on the table and bedding. Nevinan in the plural from, okay. Navin is general thing, and when you say navinan, it became plural. Navinan. دجه خود ناسکنه. She Kunji doesn't stay in her place. She always moves. The جه خود ناسکنه. جه place. خو her own. The ناسکنه. سکناندن نا سکنه. It doesn't stay in her place, and she just moves. نرگز ده تاویه هفته ده ناخبته. Nergis doesn't work on the weekend. Nergis the dawiya hafte de nakhabete. Dawiya hafte means weekend. Nakhabete doesn't work. Khabet means work. Nakhabete doesn't work. Rojen shami sbehi mala khwa paqij deke. We variji tchajem havalin khwa. Rojen Shami on Sunday سبه مالا خواه پاقش دکه. She clean her house. و ایواری جی دچه جمع هوالین خواه. And in the evening she goes to her friend. Jam, it means to them. With them actually. Jam, by them. Okay. جیانک نرگیزی یا آرام و راحت هیا. جیانک نرگیزی یا آرام و راحت هیا. Nargis has a calm and comfortable life. Also, we can say this, the same meaning also like this. Jiyanek Nergize ya aramu rahataya. You can say this. Nergis khwedi jiyaneka aram u rahata. Nergis khwedi jiyaneka aram u rahata. I think this might be much better. It means khwedi is mean like has actually. Having something. Owner of something. It means something like that. Nergis khwedi jiyaneka aram u rahata. And this is really so simple, so similar to this. Nergis khwedi jiyaneka aram u rahata. And when you say this, we had a rule. It was sof, subject and object and verb. So Nergis khwedi jiyaneka rahata, jiyaneka nergizi ya aram haya, aram u rahat haya. Okay. Evje malu hali khwa per raziye. She is very content with her situation. Evje mal u hali khwa per raziye. Per raziye, she is very content with her situation. Per raziye, she is okay with everything. Mal u hali khwa actually situation. Hali khwa. Mal u hali khwa. These might make these looks. There are some words seems like repetition. Malu hali khwa. Simply you could say awj hali khwa per raziye also. Okay, time to exercise. Let's see if you are listening. Sweetest teacher ever, which is me. Okay, and we read something, right? So I will have some question, and let's see if you can solve this. Nergiz Lekudare Daji. This is Kalyu. Do you know this place? Yes, you are right. This is Ahmed. Well done. You are a good listener. Nergiz Lekudare Daji. Nergiz Le Ahmed Daji. Malaka Nergizia Chawa Haya. Malaka Nergize ya Chawa Haya. Malaka Nergize ya Chawaya. I think I should translate for you in case if you don't understand. Malaka Nergize, it means how is her house look like? How is her house? What kind of house she has actually? What kind of house she has. Okay, what kind of house she has? I said the word, you remember that? Shirin. Malaka Bechuk u Shirin, small and sweet. Bechuk and Shirin. Malaka Nergizia Chawahaya. Malak Bechuk u Shirin. The Mala Nergizi de Chen o de Hene. Okay. How many rooms she has in her house? The Mala Nergizi de Chend Ode Hene. Chend means how many. Ode room. Hene is there. Hene there actually is there. Okay, exist actually. Chend Ode Hene. The Mala Nergizi de Du Ode Hene. The Mala Nergizi de Ode Du Ode Hene. متفقك و سرشوكك جي هي مطبخ kitchen سرشوكك bathroom. She has 2 room. It says 2 room and those things. Okay. مالا نرگیزی لکودریه لناف باجریه ناف باجریه آن لدروی باجریه لدروی outside of لدروی outside of it means outside of مالا نرگیزی لکودریه لناف باجریه آن لدروی باجریه. Where is her house? Is outside or inside? Inside the city. لناف باجاری means inside the city and outside. دروی باجاری means outside of the city. مالا نرگیزی دروی باجاره which means it is outside of the city. Okay. Park لکودریه. What is the park? Park لکودریه. Park لرخ مالا نرگیزه. Park لکودریه. Park لرخ مالا نرگیزه. د پارکه ده چه و چه هنه. د پارکه ده چه و چه هنه. Like you could say parkه ده چه هنه. You could say that these two. The only parkه ده چه هنه. د پارکه ده چه هنه. چه و چه. It's like what we have but what else or something like that it became. What do we have in the park? The way parkه ده هر جوره all kind of دار و گیا دار tree گیا هيا. Actually this will be هنه because هر جوره we say all kind of. There are different kind of گیا and dar. گیا means grass and dar means tree. نرگز لمالا خواه ده بکی رد جی. نرگز ده مالا خواه ده بکی رد جی. Who she live with. Nergis. Who Nergis live with in her house. Okay, you have the clue, but do you know what's its name? Nergis the mala khwada bepsika khwara dji. And her cat's name is Gunji. Nergis kijan rojan nakhabete. Which days Nergis doesn't work? Okay, weekends, but how do we say this in here? In Kurdish, how do we say that? Nergis the dawiya haftada nakhabete. She doesn't work at weekends. Okay. Nergis kengi deche jem havalin khwa. When does Nergis goes to her friend? What when she goes to her friend? Okay, which day she go? Nergis roja shamiye evare deche ba havali khwa. Ba also jem havali khwa. Ba jem means same thing to them, to her friend. What time when she said she goes to her friend? She goes to her friend on Sunday evening. Gelo Nergiz Jamalu hali khwa bezare. Okay. Clue also is in English, in Kurdish. Clue, shop, isharet. Gelo Nergiz Jamal hali khwa bezare. Bezar means a tired. Bezar means tired. So is she tired and sleepy? Bezar. Yellow Nergis Jamalu hali khwa malu hal. What was it? In her situation. Is she tired of her situation? Bezar hal kharabe le Nergis neha. Okay. Bezar hal kharabe. Bezar means hal kharab, which means situation is bad. لێ نێرگیز نە حاڵ خراپە. But she is not in bad situation. ji ber vê yekê na nêrgîz ne bêzar e. That's why ji ber vê yekê that is why ji ber vê yekê that's why ji ber vê yekê. Na no ew ne bêzar e. She is not tired.